weeks of waiting, finally, Realme Malaysia brought the Realme 9 Pro series to us. This series includes the Realme 9 Pro and Realme 9 Pro Plus. And today, I'm going to unbox the Pro Plus variants. There are two colors for you to choose from, which are Sunrise Blue and Aurora Green. Speaking of Sunrise Blue color, it is the first photochromism design from Realme. The back cover will shift completely from blue to red in about 3 seconds, and it will fade out in 2 to 5 minutes when it is not under the sunlight or ultraviolet light. Sound cool, right? For me, it's like I got a boyfriend but two different appearance. The Realme 9 Pro Plus comes with a 6.4-inch Super Amoled display with 90Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. Also, it features a MediaTek Dimensity 920 5G chipset, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage, plus up to 5GB of virtual RAM. Besides that, it supports an X-axis linear motor, vapor chamber cooling system, and Dolby Dual stereo speakers. All this is powered by a 4500mAh battery that supports 60W super dark charge. So with this tech spec, you can enjoy your gaming section or movies. Oh yeah, you can even check out or track your heart rate via an in-display fingerprint scanner. Moreover, it supports a 60MP selfie snapper and triple rear camera with 50MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide lens, and 2MP macro lens. Speaking of cameras, this phone comes with Street Photography Mode 2.0 that includes a smart long exposure, 90s pop filter, peak and zoom feature. As for the Realme 9 Pro model, there are some differences with the Realme 9 Pro Plus. It supports a 120Hz 6.6-inch ultra smooth display, Snapdragon 695 5G chipset, 64MP main camera, and is powered by a 5000mAh battery that supports 33W dark charge. The price of the phone haven't been announced when we recorded this video, but I will add the price tag in the description below later. So which variant would you go for? The Pro or the Pro Plus variant? Let us know what you think about the phone, and don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah, and peace out.